Now, let us do a drag and drop activity. The table on the screen gives the population density of some states of India according to Census 2011. Observe the table and color the states in the map according to the density of the population as given in the index by dragging and dropping the brush onto the map. According to the Census 2011, the density of the population in some states of India is listed in the table. Now, let us look at the different conventional symbols used on maps. Map makers generally use their own symbols, but some symbols are used conventionally by all the map makers. In our country, the conventions used by Survey of India are followed by all the map makers. These conventional symbols are called as the topo sheets of Survey of India. Let us now see How relief features are represented on a map. Relief features are the features related to the landscape of a particular area. They include all the major physical features of the earth like mountains, plains, deserts, plateaus, and islands. As heights of places cannot be represented on a flat map, a special symbol called contour or contour line is used. Contour lines. A contour line is a line joining the places with some common features. Contour lines are also called as isolines. Contour lines will be irregular in shapes depending upon the land form.
Keywords. List of keywords are shown on the screen. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter.
Map is a visual representation of an entire area which illustrates specific and detailed features of a particular area. Most frequently used to illustrate geography. Sumerians, present Iraq, are the ones who brought the first human civilization to the world's history. Around 2,600 years ago, the Babylonian people assumed the world to be in the shape of a round disk and thus created maps as a round disk with the inner circle of map showing all the cities, mountains, villages, rivers, ocean of their place. One of the famous Greek scholar named Claudius Ptolemy contributed a lot in the analysis and design of maps in the ancient time. Al-Idrisi is the name of a famous Arab map maker who prepared a world map for his king in 1154. In the 16th century, Gerardus Mercator 1512 to 1594, who is known as the father of Dutch cartography, carried out the proper work on maps. His projection on maps is called Mercator projection. During the British rule in India, James Rennell was appointed as the Surveyor General. He prepared one of the first survey-based map of India. In the year 1802, William Lambton started one of the most important geographical surveys in the world. The highest peak, Mount Everest, was named after Sir George Everest, as he was the first person to measure its height. A thematic map is a type of map or chart especially designed to show a particular theme connected with a specific geographic area. Map makers generally use their own symbols, but some symbols are used conventionally by all the map makers. As heights of places cannot be represented on a flat map, a special symbol called contour or contour line is used. A contour line is a line joining the places with equal heights. Contour lines are also called as isolines.
Read the questions and attempt the answers on your own. You can click Answer for your reference. Follow-up work.
If anyone wants to choose an appropriate place to set up a hospital, what kind of maps would be useful to him or her? Find out about the lives of some of the great explorers like David Livingstone, Stanley, Amundsen, etc. Find out who sponsored their expeditions and why. Can you suggest how maps can be used to plan in setting up new schools and colleges? What different kinds of maps would have to be studied? Try to identify India, Arabia, and Africa in the map given below.
Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test.
You have successfully completed the chapter Reading and Analysis of Maps.